What's up, AK family?
We tonight are going to...
We're going to a platinum party. So today is still day one of our creators celebration here in California.
I'm not wearing the hat, so I have to take the hat off. I got a sparkly shirt.
Okay, okay.
With some black chinos.
Okay.
And my lemon pepper steppers.
Check the shoes, check the shoes.
My loafs, the loafs. We're already late. We need to get to the party.
We are.
Come along with us and we'll show you guys what it's talking about in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! We just turned the corner. Look at
crazy.
this. Oh my gosh. Come on, Aaron.
It's photo op. Oh,
stop it. Look at this event space. Everybody in here is a content creator. This is a creator's celebration after all. This is insane. I don't even know where to start. All right, friends, we've been having too much fun. Too much fun, because we didn't show y'all anything. We sat down, we saw Creator Lab friends. It's just a big reunion.
That's exactly what it is.
It's so nice to see everyone again. We're so grateful that we were able to have an in-person session before, so that when we came together this week, it was just like, family is getting back together. We just got food, we hung out and stuff. The food was good, guys. I mean, it's Disney. They had Dole Whip, they had short ribs, they had turkey legs, like a Frito bag.
Chili, impossible chili with Fritos.
Yeah, so good. They had an open bar, and everybody's just been mingling, talking, taking pictures. We've been having a good time. So it's over.
Yep.
The characters came out and everything tonight, and we missed
all of it.
I mean, we missed Mickey, Minnie, Chip and Dale, Pluto, and Goofy. We missed everybody, but that's okay. It's only day one. We will definitely see the characters another time.
There are no other creators, pretty much. We got some stragglers over here taking pictures.
Yeah, because this is the last thing that's still lit up.
And it's only lit up because people are over there taking pictures.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Disney, for this amazing platinum party. Everybody looks amazing, and it's been a great night. And the night is still young, like literally.
Actually,
no, the night is young.
It's 10 minutes till 9. The night has a 5 o'clock shadow. Okay?
The night is young.
There's stubble on the face.
The night is young. We've got a late night tonight, guys. Aaron, you're gonna have to get some caffeine.
And by the end of the night, it will have a full-grown beard. Anyways, we gotta get back to the room so we can change and get back so we can go to World of Color and then Web Slinger and then the after party of after parties.
Here's a look at downtown Disney at 10 o'clock as we are walking back to the park. Look at the fit though. Peep the fit. Aaron, what you got on? Who are you wearing?
Disney.
Okay.
Lucky Brand.
Okay.
Nike Kicks.
Okay. We are matching tonight in our Disney sweatshirts. But I think Aaron looks really nice.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. We just got back inside of California Adventure. All the gates were closed for us to scan our magic bands to get in, so we were like, okay. So they let us in through a side door, and everybody's leaving. The park is closed.
Yeah. She's so silly.
The show has started. I can hear it.
Let's go.
Dang it, come on.
I'd forgotten how much I hate space travel.
matter who you are or where you're from, you have the power to make a difference. It just takes one.
Well. We just finished World of Color 1.
It's a special show for the 100th year anniversary. It started in January. It was a good show.
It was. So it is actually the new show. It started for the 100th anniversary, but when the anniversary ends, the show will still be here. Yeah. So my favorite part was the Marvel part. Aaron, what was your favorite part?
I enjoyed all the parts of it. The Star Wars definitely was good.
Yeah.
The visual effects of them just projecting on water is kind of like ingenious.
It's a good show.
Yeah.
We're back in Avengers campus. And
Yet again.
We're headed to ride Web Slingers.
I know the cast members got to be like, why they here?
They probably get overtime or something.
Oh, hazard pay overtime?
If you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first off, because he's an Avengers somewhere. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
Web Slinger is a dirt ride, but it's a major arm workout.
That's facts.
So you're all gonna be super tired by the time you get off this ride.
Here we go.
Little help here! Guys! My glass to you guys.
Elevating threat level to out of control. Should I call for more help now?
No. We can handle it.
We can handle it.
Actually, big problem.
I learned what the secret is. It's the glowing ones.
We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked. You guys were amazing.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't tell Tony.
We just got off of Web Slingers. Ka-chow. That's the wrong ride. I had some Starbucks before we came over here so I could stay awake. It's working! I've learned the trick to getting a high score on Web Slingers. You've got the regular red and black ones, right? Look for the glowing ones. I was playing with one hand and I had a good score because I was really only trying to hit those. That game is really fun. And how do they know? How do they know?
Technology is crazy.
It's nuts, because I will say, I feel like that ride is pretty accurate. With the direction you shoot, it really does go like that
Definitely.
way. Yeah. So that's done. We are actually hanging out here waiting for the after party to start. I can't wait. So we're just hanging out until then.
Pixar Pier.
We're heading
The
into
after party.
the after party. Look at all these creators. Look at all these content creators.
So we are here in the after party. We're about to get on the Incredicoaster coaster. Very good ride. If you've never tried it, it's super fast.
So it looks like we have the whole pier to ourselves.
We do.
I'm
The park
sure
is closed.
the park is closed,
It is
y'all. But
This
it's
is
open.
a creator event.
This is
Yeah.
absolutely nuts. All right, let's go have some fun, Aaron.
Let's go.
Okay.
Just do your thing.
All right. Get it, Aaron.
3, 2, 1, and go. 3, 2, 1, and go.
We're leaving now.
Oh, my good sis. No, I'm back. That's my girl. Miss Incredible. You She said, and she was out.
We know who was under there.
You're not right. You're not right, Aaron. So we decided we're gonna try to do all the things for the party and then we'll ride the rides. There's a special character over here I have never, ever seen in person. I'm freaking out because I love this character.
Well, let's go see him.
Let's go see. Hi, Wally! Oh my gosh! It's so nice to meet you. Yes, it is so. I'm a huge fan of you. You have no idea. Wally, can we take a picture together? I'm gonna wait till you say. I'm gonna take that as a yes. I think okay. Yeah. I think that was a yes. Okay, I'm gonna come down. Guys, I'm gonna go like this. Oh my gosh. A legend. A living legend. Oh my God. You're making me blush, Wally. Bye. Oh, Wally. I have to go now. Bye. Oh my gosh, bye. I don't want to say goodbye either, but we have to.
This is my wife, Wally.
Bye.
My wife. My wife. That is.
You say sorry to Wally right now. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That is so jacked up. So right now they're doing balloon animals and they're also doing face painting here in the back. All right, we're about to get on Midway Mania. Kyra said we rode the similar version of it in Orlando, but I don't remember, so this is gonna be a whole new experience for me.
Also, they are playing not Disney music. They're playing the jams tonight. Woo!
Yeehaw.
Dang! The ride is glitching. It's not doing anything. We're on a
It's because they know I was about to wear it out.
dang. We were on a roll. Oh! Good job, Aaron. Woo! That's fun. Fresh off Midway Mania.
Yeah.
It glitched 2 times. That's okay though. But we're headed down, further down Pixar Pier. We've actually never been down here before ever.
Yeah, I was just telling Kyra, like, we didn't get past Incredicoaster.
Yep.
Now we're seeing and exploring.
Look at this over here. Aaron, look, there's a photo booth. Play, you better play, Chris. And when is it gonna fade out? We just took some pictures at the photo booth. This is so special.
Yeah.
This is just incredible. So now we're further down. We're actually by the arcade games. We can play them. I challenge you to a game
You don't want
of.
these hands. You don't want these
I
problems.
challenge you to a game of candy corn toss.
Y'all better let her know she don't want these problems.
I challenge you.
She don't want these problems.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
I haven't played this in a long time. Okay.
Okay, so all you gotta do for this game is aim at the black target right in front of you. The water's gonna shoot out all on its own. You're just gonna aim.
Oh, okay.
Once the stars will be the winner.
Right.
Ready?
Yep.
Set, and last round.
Ah! Oh. Oh. I think I got you. Yeah.
That was so cheating. I don't even know.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You too. I
was
beat
so
you.
Buy a hair.
No, yeah, you're right.
Buy a hair.
You snacks. Skittles. I've got a Sprite, and they said to add the Skittles to the Sprite. I think that's good. I feel like you gotta let it sit for a while so it can like mix up. I killed that just then.
Is that what happened?
Oh. Oh, wow.
You're jealous.
I just turned around and you were, I just turned around and you were just dancing.
All I'm hearing is jealous.
I love it.
Cruel Summer had a station at the party with treats and a 360 photo booth. Kyra actually got to meet some of the cast. Before we left, we got caricature drawings. Wait until you see the results here in just a second.
We are back in the room. It is so late, but we want to close this vlog out. We had
a great time today. It was a long day, but it was a great day.
It was a great day.
And we are tired, but we just want to give you just a nightcap of what our experience was at the after party. A lot of carnival-esque games and stations. Churro station, popcorn station.
We had the whole entire
Pier
Pixar Pier area just for ourselves. A completely empty California Adventure Park, which is so crazy. We're just so grateful. It was an amazing night. It's been an amazing day. We just wanted to end the night showing you all our caricature. Okay, y'all. All right, you guys.
Yo, who that, man?
So that's our
Who that?
That's our caricature.
Who that man is?
So,
Kyra's married to a Far Eastern man.
I see what the man was trying to do.
I don't. I'm not sure what it was. That looks... No shade.
He was pressed for time.
No.
Because when we sat down, it was like at the end of the event.
I'm sorry to hear it. That's not me.
Well, it's your cousin.
It happens to be Asian.
Yes, that happens to be Asian. So, you guys, that's it for today. It's been a great day. We want to say thank you again to Disney Parks, for hosting us and just
taking care of us.
Yeah, taking such good care of us. So many experiences that we've had just today, and it's only day one. We've got a lot in store for the rest of this trip. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, join the AK family.
Do that. Thanks for tuning in all the way to the end of this vlog. For those that did make it to the end of this vlog, put down in the comments what your favorite part was.
I do want y'all to give my man props. It's 1 a.m. here. That means it's 3 a.m. where we live on the East Coast. Put some respect on my man's name. Here he is right here. Do that.
Rigor mortis setting in, so I need to get this shower and get into bed. But have a good morning, noon, or night whenever you're watching this video, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Bye.